up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Well, I don't have the sore throat anymore, but I am still a bit under the weather, but that's not gonna stop me making my video. No. So before we go any further in this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button right down below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you guys won't miss any of my upcoming video. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button in the face. So without further ado, let's get to it, shall we? So I was pretty excited that Comic-Con is coming up this year here in Colorado Springs or in Denver, which is like 2 hours away. But sadly I wasn't able to go, but I thought, you know what, why not make a tutorial on Kenway from Assassin's Creed. If you don't know who that is, it's right here. So I've been going to Comic-Con 3 times, and here's some photos that I took from my very first Comic-Con to the third one. And I pretty much dress as the same character or cosplay, and the last one I actually finally upgraded the look because I didn't see any tutorials on how to do this or how to get the look. So I thought, why not do it for you guys? Because I do see a lot of people dress as Assassin's Creed, as Connor. So I thought, why not make this tutorial for girls or guys? Next month I will be making some videos of pretty much cosplaying. I won't have the costume, but I most likely be doing the look for certain characters. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, which is right here at Navi.91. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Few